Hello students, in the previous video, I have explained you how to multiply the fractions. In this video, I am going to explain you the word problems based on multiplication of fractions. So firstly, I want to clear the doubt of some students that in first chapter what they have to do in classwork and what they have to do in homework copy. So as I told you, whatever I explain in video, if I am explaining any property, then you have to write in classwork copy, and the questions which I have am sending you by an image, that is your homework and you have to do in your homework copy. Okay students, now for today the classwork will be the questions which I will solve in the video, and the homework will be the questions which I am going to put a tick mark and send the image to you. तो आपको जो फोटो मिलेगी उसमें जिन जिन क्वेश्चंस पे टिक लगा होगा वो आपका होमवर्क होगा, and the rest of the questions which I am solving in the video, that are your classwork. Okay students, now let's start the video. So the first question which I am going to do is, apples are sold at rupees 48 4 upon 5 per kg. That means what is the price of 1 kg? The price of 1 kg is rupees 48 4 upon 5. This is the price of 1 kg of apples. So you can write like that also. You have to write the statement because it is a word problem. Price of 1 kg apples. Okay students. Now the next step which you have to do is, what is the cost of 3 upon 4 kg of apples? So what is asked from you? Price of 3 upon 4 kg apples. So what we have to do? The value of 1 is given to you. Price of 1 is given to you and you have to find out for more. So you must have studied unitary method in your previous classes, and I have explained unitary method in one of my video also. So if you can if you want to see, you can go and watch that video on my channel. In this method, to get more value, we multiply. To get more value, we multiply. M as in more and M as in multiply. यानी कि अगर आपको किसी एक आर्टिकल का प्राइस बताया जाए और आपसे ज्यादा के लिए पूछा जाए, then you have to multiply. Now to get less value, we have to divide. यानी कि आपको ज्यादा का प्राइस ज्यादा चीजों का प्राइस बता रखा है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 12 kg का बताया है और आपसे 1 kg का पूछा जाए, then you have to divide. Okay students, so here already the price of 1 kg is given to you. You have to find out for more. So M as in more, M as in multiply. This is a trick which will help you to remember this. So we have to find out for more. Then what we have to do? We have to multiply. So the price of 3 upon 4, as I told you, this is a mixed fraction. So we have to convert it into improper fraction. Okay students, so I am converting it for you. Please pay attention. So student, I am converting it for you. 5 multiplied by 48 is 240. So 240 plus 4 upon 5. So it will be 244 upon 5. So the price of 1 kg apple is rupees 244 upon 5. Now you have to convert this also into improper fraction. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 3 will be 15. So you have to find for 15 upon 4 kg. So we have to do what? We have to multiply. So price of 1 kg is given. You will multiply it by this. So the answer will be 244 upon 5 multiplied by 15 upon 4. Now try to cut, try to simplify it. 5 ones are 5 threes are 4 ones are 4 6 are 24 and 4 ones are 4. So 61 threes are, it is rupees 183. So the price of 3 upon 4 kg of apples is rupees 183. Now I am going to explain the next question, which will be question number 7. Question number 5 and 6 is your homework. Please pay attention. So student, the next question I am reading it for you. One tin holds 12 3 upon 4 liters of oil. How many liters of oil can 26 such tins hold? That means, what is the capacity of one tin? The capacity of one tin is Capacity is also called volume. So 1 tin holds 12 3/4 liters of oil. Now, how much oil can 26 such tins hold? So, अब ऐसे 26 tins में कितना oil आएगा? The capacity of oil that 26 such tins can hold is, अब आपको वो कैपेसिटी निकालनी है कि कितना ऑयल जो है 26 टिन्स में आएगा. सो ऑलरेडी द कैपेसिटी ऑफ 1 टिन इज गिवन टू यू. So you have to find out for more. M as in more and M as in multiply. So what you have to do? You have to multiply it. Now 26 multiplied by 12 for 3/4. So 12 4s are 48. 48 plus 3 will be 51. So it will be 51/4. Okay students. Now 51/4, when we will multiply it, firstly we have to simplify it. 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 2s are. Now 13 multiplied by 51 is 663/2. When we are going to convert it into mixed fraction, it will be 331 whole and 1/2 liters. That means 26 tins can hold 331 1/2 liters of oil. Okay students. Now I am going to solve the next question for you, which is question number 8. Now the next question I am reading it for you. For a particular show in a circus, each ticket costs rupees 35 1/2. So there is a circus show and the cost of one ticket is rupees 35 1/2. I will convert it into improper fraction. So when I will convert it into improper fraction, it will be 71/2. So the price of one ticket is 71/2. So this is the price of one ticket of the circus show. Now you have to find out for how many tickets. So as per the question, if 308 tickets are sold for the show, how much amount has been collected? So how many tickets are sold? 308. So number of tickets sold is equals to 308 tickets. Now amount collected from the tickets sold. Amount collected from the tickets sold. What we have to do? Price of one ticket is given to you and you have to find out for more. That means you have to multiply. Now I am going to multiply it. 308 multiplied by 71/2. Now 2 1s are 2 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. So the amount which will be collected is equals to rupees 140.54 into 71. So the amount which will be collected, I am multiplying it, 154 multiplied by 71. So the answer is rupees 10,934. Okay students. Now I am going to solve the next question, which is question number 11. Please pay attention students. So student, the next question which I am going to solve is question number 11. Amit weighs 35 kg. His sister Kavita's weight is 3/5 of Amit's weight. How much does Kavita weigh? So what is the weight of Amit? The weight of Amit is 35 kg. Okay students. Now what is his sister's weight? Kavita weighs 3/5 of Amit. Now weight of Kavita, यानी कि जो कविता का वेट है वो अमित के वेट का 3/5 है. 3/5 of Amit. So what you have to find out over here? Weight of Kavita. So 3/5 of Amit. How will you solve? as I have explained you what is the use of in fractions. So how will you multiply? You will multiply the weight of Amit over here. And as I told you, if there is nothing in the denominator, we will consider it by default 1. Now 5 ones are 5 sevens are 3 sevens are 21. So the weight of Amit's sister, that is Kavita weighs 21 kg. Now I am going to solve the next question for you, that is question number 13. Please pay attention. So student, the next question is question number 13, which I am going to solve for you. Sapna earns rupees 24,000 per month. She spends 7 upon 8 of her income and deposits rest of the money in a bank. How much money does she deposit in the bank each month? So what is the amount which is Sapna earning every month? So first statement will be Sapna's monthly earning. Sapna's monthly earning, or you can also say salary, monthly salary of Sapna, because salary is monthly only. So she earns rupees 24,000 per month. Now out of which how much is used in her expenses, how she use in her income is she spends 7 upon 8 of her income. How much she is spending? The amount of income spent by Sapna. कितना spend कर रही है? It is 7 upon 8 of her income. 7 upon 8 of her actual income. Right? The one which she is earning every month. Now 7 upon 8. So we have to find out how much she is spending. So we have to multiply it by 24,000. Now we will simplify it. 8 ones are 8 threes are. Now 3 times 0. That means Sapna is spending every month rupees 21,000 on her expenses. यानी कि उसके महीने के 21,000 खर्च हो जाते हैं. Now how much amount she is depositing in the bank? How will you come to know? You have to subtract it from 24,000. So the next statement will be the amount which she deposits in the bank. The amount which she deposits in the bank. How much she deposits? You have to subtract it from her actual salary, which is 24,000. Rupees 24,000 minus 21,000. So she is depositing every month rupees 3,000 in the bank. So this is her saving. Okay students. Now I am going to explain you the next question. Please pay attention. So student, the next question I am reading it for you is, each side of a square field is 4 2 upon 3 meter. Find its area. Now what is the side of the square? There is a field which is in the shape of a square, and the side is 4 2 upon 3 meter. Every side measures, because in square all sides are equal. So the side of the square is 4 2 upon 3 meter. Firstly I will convert it into improper fraction. 3 4s are 12, 12 2s are 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14. It will be 14 upon 3 meter. 14 upon 3 meter. Okay students. Now what is the formula of area of square? Because we have to find out the area of the square field. You must have studied in your previous classes. I am giving you time to guess. Yes students, you all are right. The area of square is side square or side into side. Side square or side into side. Okay students, now I am multiplying it. 14 upon 3 multiplied by 14 upon 3. Now what is the square of 14? Square of 14 is 196 and the square of 3 is 9. So the area will be 196 upon 9 meter square. And to convert it into mixed fraction, I am converting over here. 21 7 upon 9 meter square. So this is the area of the square field. Now one of the student has asked me one question in the previous work which I have given to you. like if it is written 3/5 of 35 meters. So she was asking whether we have to convert it into centimeter or not. तो जब भी आपकी किसी भी मीटर, सेंटीमीटर, आर, ईयर, उसके साथ अगर कोई नंबर दिया हुआ है ऑलरेडी, देन यू डोंट हैव टू कन्वर्ट, यू विल सिंपली सिंप्लीफाई इट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अगर ऐसे दिया होता 3/5 ऑफ अ लीटर, देन 1 लीटर इक्वल्स टू हाउ मेनी मिलीलीटर? 1000 मिलीलीटर. तो आपको इसको ऐसे करना होता 3/5 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1000. इफ इन प्लेस ऑफ दिस लीटर यहाँ पे आर लिखा होता तो एन आर हैज हाउ मेनी मिनट्स? 60 मिनट्स. वाई आर वी नॉट कन्वर्टिंग इट इनटू सेकेंड्स? क्योंकि वो उसकी सेकेंड है. जब आप आर्स को चेंज करेंगे तो पहले वो मिनट्स में चेंज होंगे, तो जो नेक्स्ट यूनिट होती है हमें उसी में कन्वर्ट करना होता है. तो लीटर के बाद मिलीलीटर होता है, तो वी विल कन्वर्ट इट इनटू मिलीलीटर. अगर लिखा होता 3/5 ऑफ एन ईयर, तो एक ईयर में कितने मंथ्स होते हैं? 12 मंथ्स. अगर 3/5 ऑफ अ मंथ लिखा होता तो आपको पर्टिकुलर मंथ के अकॉर्डिंग डेज वहाँ पे मेंशन करने पड़ते, जैसे 31 या 30 या फिर 29 या 28, जो कि किसी भी पर्टिकुलर मंथ में होते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो दिस वाज अ क्वेरी फ्रॉम वन ऑफ द स्टूडेंट. अगर आप लोगों को भी कोई डाउट होता है, सो यू कैन कमेंट डाउन इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स. This is your classwork which I have explained in the video, and the homework will be sent to you. और उन होमवर्क जिन जिन क्वेश्चंस पे टिक लगे होंगे, that is your homework.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.